question number 7. Prove that sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x equal to 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Now solution, taking LHS. Sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x. Now taking sin 3x minus sin x on combining together, then sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x, by the formula sin 2 is 2 sin x cos x. Now apply the identity sin x minus sin y. Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y upon 2 sin x minus y upon 2 plus 2 sin x cos x as it is. It is 2 cos 3 plus 1 4 upon 2 cos 2x into sin x plus 2 sin x cos x. Now taking 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x common from both the term, then we will take common 2 sin x. The remaining terms are cos 2x plus cos x. Now apply the identity. Cos x plus cos y is 2 cos x plus y upon 2 into cos x minus y upon 2. Now it is 2 sin x into 2 cos 3x upon 2 cos x upon 2. So it is 2 to the 4 sin x into cos 3x upon 2 into cos x upon 2, which is equal to RHS. Hence proof. Next question number 8. Find sin x by 2 cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. Each of the following when tan x equal to minus 4 by 3, x lies in second quadrant. When x in second quadrant, then x by 2 will be first quadrant. In solution, if x in quadrant second, this implies x by 2 will be in quadrant first. तो x by 2 होगा, किसमें होगा? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट होगा. एंड फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट tan sec cot cosec sin every t ratios will be positive. So given tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3. Since we have formula sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus minus 4 by 3 whole square. 1 plus 16 upon 9 means 9 with 9 plus 16, 25 by 9. Sec square x is equal to 25 by 9. So sec x is equal to plus minus 5 upon 3. And in quadrant second, sec is negative. Sec theta is negative. So sec x is equal to minus 5 by 3. In quadrant 2, sec x is negative. Now cos x is minus 3 upon 5. Cos का होता है sec का उल्टा होता है, तो cos x इक्वल टू minus 3 by 5. नेगेटिव होगा वो भी. इन क्वाड्रेंट सेकंड cos x is negative. अब the formula of cos square x plus sin square is 1. But before finding sin, we will find the value of sin x by 2 cos x by tan x by 2. Now to bring cos x by 2 with the help of cos x, there is a formula cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Cos x equal to क्या होता है 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So 2 cos square x by 2 equal to 1 plus cos x. ना 2 cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos x is minus 3 by 5. So it is 2 cos square x is equal to 5 into 5 minus 3, 2 by 5. So cos square x is 1 by 5 cos square x by 2. So cos x by 2 equal to plus minus 1 upon root 5. But in first quadrant, since in first quadrant cos x by 2 will be पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि जब x सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में होगा cos x by 2 पॉजिटिव होगा, इसलिए cos x by 2 इक्वल टू 1 by root 5. This implies cos x by 2 equal to 1 by root 5. Raise by the denominator. It is root 5 on 5. This implies cos x by 2 equal to root 5 on 5. Now again cos x equal to minus 3 by 5. Cos x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 equal to minus 3 by 5. So this implies 1 plus 3 by 5 equal to 2 sin square x by 2. 5 under 5 plus 3 8. 8 upon 5 equal to 2 sin square x by 2. It means 2 sin square x by 2 equal to 8 by 5. And sin square x by 2 equal to 4 by 5. So sin x by 2 equal to plus minus 2 upon root 5. Is raised by the denominator. It is 2 root 5 upon 5 plus minus. But in first quadrant x by 2 will be sin x by 2, no? Sin x by 2 will be positive. So this implies sin x by 2 equal to 2 under root 5 on 5. Now since tan x by 2 equal to sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 is equal to 2 root 5 upon 5 upon cos x by 2 is root 5 upon 5. Root 5 cancel, 5 cancel, it is 2. So tan x by 2 is equal to 2. In first quadrant tan x by 2 is positive, so tan x by